Hi guys, today we will be talking about SEO tracking tools. So these tools are basically used to track down everything that are going on your website or any of the pages. So I'll be taking to you on my laptop. So let's go. Hi guys. So I'll be guiding you step by step that how we can access to search engine console. So as you can see my screen, I've opened Firefox and you can open any of the search engine. So I'll directly search search engine console. Here we go. So as you can see, it's Google search engine console and you have to click on start now, right? So it would be asking to sign up. So that means you should have a Google or Gmail ID, Gmail account ID to mention here, and after you click on next it will be signing up. But I'll be showing you my another screen. It would be here, so you will be landing on this page if the property is not being registered. Now property, I mean the website. So as you can see, it's signed in with this email ID and the property name is careerkites.com, right? So it is not being linked with this email ID, so it will not be detected. So now what you have to do, you have to log in again with the same email ID that you have registered on your website, that is registered on your website. So whenever you will be registering that website to the account, to the website account, now this page will be opened. That will be your first page. After you verify your property ownership, so the instructions are given right there. So you verify your ownership, you click on the verify your ownership, the page will open that you have to follow. You have to create a txt record, you have to go in your DNS, that is domain name system settings, configuration settings for the same same website, and you have to copy this code and you have to click on verify. After doing that, this sort of page will open, and this page actually is your home page for Google Search Console. So in this page on the extreme left, you can see there are several things to mention in Google Search Console. That is overview, your performance, inspection, coverage, that is under indexing, experience, enhancement, and many other things. So what we will be covering today would be really very basic, so that you can just understand that what exactly Google Search Console is used for. So we'll be talking about overview, performance, URL inspection, and in the bottom it's links, right? So we'll be not talking about these things, but obviously don't worry, I'll be talking about every aspect in my upcoming videos. So if I talk about overview, so overview, as you can see, it is overall performance, coverage, experience, and enhancements. Now what do you mean by these things? It is nothing but just a glimpse of your web page or your blog or your website. So as you can see, it is 189 total web search clicks. You can see the full report, and full report is nothing, the second option, performance. So if I click on performance, you can see total clicks, impressions, average CTR, average position, and whatnot. So you can change this settings to 6 months, 12 months, whenever you want your data to be seen on the this page. So you can type it out there. So what all you can do in this thing, you can compare your previous month performance with the upcoming month or the current month. So you can go on new and you can search on page, whatever page you want to compare, you can add it here. Talking about URL inspection, so Google Search Engine Console is mainly used for URL inspection. That is also this also means indexing. So if you type your website name here, so it's obviously clickites.com, So you'll be seeing another page, that is URL inspection. So here what we request Google crawler to crawl your complete website. So we actually not crawled it recently, so it has a URL issue that is in some video, but obviously if it is it will be resolved. The request indexing will be done again, and all the text will be there with the green color. We'll be going into the next section, that is links. What links is, you can see it on the screen. So it is every link that is being listed with your website or your blog page. It contains external, internal, every link that is given on your website or your page. So this was all about Google Search Console, that is basic. We'll be covering all other aspect, all other indexing, experience, enhancements, everything in my upcoming videos. So that was all for this thing. So that was all about Search Engine Console. We'll be talking about web analytics in my next video. Thank you.